Happy Friday from UpKeep headquarters. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep.
So today we had a lot of updates made to our product that we wanted to come and share with you guys. So the first one is our new bookmarking feature. So now all users can go ahead and bookmark any work order that they find the most important. So when looking at your work order list view, you'll now see a new bookmark icon when you hover over each work order. You can go ahead and bookmark from that view. Or when reviewing a specific work order, you'll now see the bookmark icon at the top next to your editing icon, that little pencil there. So you'll also notice that there's a new quick filter called bookmarked. When you go ahead and click that quick filter, you'll now see a list of all of your bookmarked work orders, so you can personalize your workflow and take a look at those work orders that are most important to you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
On top of that, we're also releasing a big new feature, at tagging and at mentioning. So if you go into a work order, you go into the update notes section, you're typing in that really important update that you want to send to one of your techs or your boss. Basically, you can hit the at symbol. It'll bring down a drop down of all the users in your UpKeep account. And when you go ahead and submit that update, it's going to send them a push notification. When it sends them that push notification, it's going to give them the full details of that update message and the entire context of which work order you guys are discussing. So for us at UpKeep, what we really wanted to do was make it the best tool, the best group collaboration tool for you guys, the facility managers, the technicians, and the maintenance managers. This is one awesome step towards that direction that we're really, really excited about.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, it's a great update. Make sure to go and check it out. And last but definitely not least, we did a request portal revamp. So when you go to your request portal, you'll see a brand new sleek look, as well as the request portal link for your purchase orders will now be on that same page. And a new functionality is administrators now have the ability to customize their URL for their portal. This really is nice because it lets administrators customize that URL to give that customized feel, and also makes it easier for requesters to remember that link on the go. Yeah, so make sure to log into your UpKeep app, take a look at these new features, and have a great weekend, everybody.
Happy Friday, everyone!